Morning everyone! Ayan, nagluluto po ako ngayon ng oatmeal breakfast for breakfast. Later on, lalagyan ko yan ng fresh milk. Meron din tayo dito pineapple bun. And the other one is coconut. I don't know what is that. Coconut yan o whatever. Hindi ako nakonto. And then, meron tayo dito. Blueberries. Ayan. Meron pa rin ako rito. Tawag dito. Bread dates. At ang milk tea na hindi naubos kahapon. Ayan. Yan ang breakfast namin ngayong umaga nito, guys. O, diba healthy? Kayo ba? Ano ang breakfast nyo? Ito lang, guys, ang aking a day of my life today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and taas the notification bell. Sarang hair!